told you, that one common food sitting in your kitchen right now could be silently shrinking your muscles, weakening your legs, slowing your metabolism, and increasing your risk of falls after 60. And here's the scary part. Most seniors eat this food every single day, thinking it's completely harmless. Some even believe it's healthy, but research shows it may accelerate muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia, which affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60. Today, we're uncovering the number one food that destroys muscle after 60, why it's so dangerous, what it does inside your body, and what to eat instead to rebuild strength naturally. If staying strong, independent, and active matters to you, watch this entire video. Because what you eat after 60 can either protect your muscles or slowly steal them away. Let's begin. Section 1. Why muscle loss after 60 is so dangerous. After age 30, we begin losing muscle slowly. But after 60, the rate doubles. Muscle isn't just about looking fit. It controls balance, blood sugar, metabolism, joint protection, bone strength, fall prevention, even longevity. Low muscle mass is strongly linked to frailty, falls, hip fractures, slower recovery from illness, loss of independence. And once muscle is lost, it becomes much harder to rebuild. That's why protecting muscle after 60 is one of the most important health priorities. But here's the problem. Most people focus on protein. Very few people focus on what is actively destroying their muscles. Section 2. The number one food that destroys muscle after 60. The number one muscle destroying food after 60 is refined sugar, especially sugary drinks, sweetened coffee creamers, white bread, pastries, breakfast cereals, packaged snacks, hidden sugars in low-fat foods. Now before you click away thinking, sugar, I don't eat that much, stay with me. Because after 60, your body handles sugar very differently, and that's where the danger begins. Section 3. What sugar does to aging muscles. When you eat refined sugar, your blood sugar spikes rapidly. Your body releases insulin to push that sugar into cells. Over time, frequent spikes cause insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, increased fat storage, higher cortisol levels. And here's the key. Inflammation and insulin resistance directly interfere with muscle protein synthesis. That means your body builds less muscle, repairs muscle slower, breaks muscle down faster. After 60, muscle building signals are already weaker. Sugar makes them worse. It creates the perfect storm for sarcopenia. Section 4, the hidden muscle killer. Chronic inflammation. Refined sugar fuels inflammation, and inflammation is muscle's worst enemy. Inflammatory chemicals called cytokines signal your body to break down tissue, muscle tissue included. Chronic inflammation reduces strength, slows recovery, increases joint pain, increases fatigue, impairs protein absorption. This is why many seniors say, I feel weaker even though I eat normally. It's not just age, it's metabolic damage. Section 5, the insulin resistance trap. After 60, as we age, our cells become less sensitive to insulin. Add high sugar intake to that, you accelerate insulin resistance. When cells resist insulin, glucose stays elevated, muscle cells get less energy, fat storage increases, muscle breakdown increases. Even worse, excess sugar converts to visceral fat. Visceral fat releases more inflammatory chemicals, more inflammation makes more muscle loss. It becomes a vicious cycle. Section 6, sugar and cortisol, the stress hormone link. Here's something most people don't know. High sugar intake spikes cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. An elevated cortisol breaks down muscle tissue, increases belly fat, reduces recovery, suppresses growth hormone. After 60, growth hormone naturally declines. If cortisol stays high from sugar spikes, muscle rebuilding becomes extremely difficult. Section 7, but I only eat a little. Here's the truth. You don't need to eat candy all day. Even small daily sugar exposure adds up. Hidden sugar sources seniors overlook. Flavored yogurt, granola bars, bottled smoothies, store-bought sauces, ketchup, salad dressings, instant oatmeal packets. Many healthy foods contain 10 to 20 grams per serving. That's enough to trigger metabolic damage if consumed daily. Section 8, real-life scenario. Meet John. John is 67. He doesn't eat dessert often, but every morning he has sweetened cereal, flavored coffee creamer, a glass of orange juice. At lunch, maybe white bread. Evening snack, crackers. No candy, no soda. But over time his muscles weaken. He feels slower climbing stairs. His balance worsens. Doctor says normal aging. But the real issue? Chronic blood sugar spikes every single day. Section 9. The science behind muscle protein breakdown. Muscle maintenance depends on protein intake, resistance exercise, insulin sensitivity, low inflammation. Sugar disrupts 3 of those 4. It reduces anabolic signaling, increases catabolic pathways, impairs mitochondrial function, increases oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages muscle fibers at the cellular level. After 60, repair capacity is already reduced. Sugar magnifies the damage. Section 10. The belly fat connection. Many seniors notice my arms and legs look thinner, but my belly is bigger. That's classic muscle loss plus fat gain. High sugar diets promote visceral fat storage, muscle breakdown, reduced testosterone, reduced IGF-1. Loss of these hormones accelerates weakness. It's not just cosmetic, it's metabolic aging. Section 11, what to eat instead. Muscle protective foods. Now the good news, you can reverse this process. Focus on muscle protective foods. 1. High quality protein. Eggs, Greek yogurt, unsweetened. Wild salmon, chicken. Lentils. 2. Anti-inflammatory fats. Olive oil, avocado. Nuts. 3. Fiber-rich vegetables, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Low glycemic fruits, berries, apples. These stabilize blood sugar and protect muscles. Now there's section 12. Protein timing matters. After 60, you need more protein per meal to stimulate muscle growth. Aim for 25 to 35 grams per meal. Spread evenly throughout the day. Avoid high sugar breakfasts. Replace cereal with eggs plus vegetables, Greek yogurt, berries. Oatmeal, unsweetened, plus nuts. Small changes create powerful shifts. Section 13, resistance exercise multiplies results. Food alone isn't enough. Add resistance training 2 to 3 times per week. Examples, bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, resistance bands, light dumbbells. Even 15 minutes can reactivate muscle building pathways. Combine low sugar plus high protein resistance exercise, and you create a muscle preserving environment. Section 14, what happens when you cut sugar within weeks? Energy stabilizes, cravings decrease, inflammation reduces, strength improves, recovery improves. Within months, better muscle tone, reduced belly fat, improved balance, lower fall risk. Consistency matters more than perfection. Section 15. The emotional reality muscle loss after 60 isn't just about appearance. It's about carrying groceries, playing with grandkids, getting up from a chair, living independent. Every sugary habit moves you slightly toward frailty. Every smart food choice moves you towards strength. The choice is daily. Section 16, quick action plan. Starting tomorrow. 1. Remove sugary drinks. 2. Check labels for added sugar. 3. 30 grams protein at breakfast. 4. Walk daily. 5. Lift something heavy twice weekly. Simple, but powerful. Section 17, final warning. The food industry markets sugar cleverly, low fat, heart healthy, whole grain, but your muscles don't care about marketing. They respond to biology, and biology after 60 demands stability, not sugar spikes. Closing, emotional wrap plus engagement. If this video opened your eyes, tap like, because the more people who understand this, the more seniors we help stay strong. Subscribe for weekly science-backed senior health insights. And tell me in the comments, have you reduced sugar after 60? Did you notice a difference in your strength? I read every comment. Remember, muscle is independence, muscle is longevity, muscle is freedom. Protect it, nourish it, train it, and your strongest years may still be ahead. I'll see you in the next video.